Hi, so we're going to demonstrate the version 2 of Dragonfly, which is our computer vision based indoor precise positioning system. So what this is, it's an app running on that phone that is looking at the features that are in this room and finding its position accurately. Okay, so we have here the phone, and here what I have is a vacuum cleaner that is going to go around this room, and we're going to see on the screen the location in real time. So that's the first thing that we'll do, and then we'll be able to look at all the places where this this vacuum cleaner has been, and then we'll show a heat map. So here I'm going to put the phone here, and I'm going to install it on its base here. There you go. And I'm going to start looking at the position on the screen while the vacuum cleaner is moving.